Hi friends, welcome to today's session. In the previous classes, we were discussing more about auditing, and today's session we will be discussing about the difference between accounting and auditing. So we know that from the earlier classes onwards, we are studying about accounting, but auditing is a new term for us. So let's see what is the difference in the meaning of auditing and accounting. So, in case of accounting, it is the process of recording, classifying, and summarizing the business transactions into monetary terms. But auditing is a process of review of accounts to establish their reliability and statements therefrom. Okay, so from the meaning itself, we can understand that there is difference between accounting and auditing. So accounting is the process of recording the transactions that is in monetary terms in the books of account. But auditing is the process of reviewing all those accounts written in the books of account. So that is the main difference between accounting and auditing. Then on the basis of scope, we can say that accounting is entailed preparation of financial transactions and their interpretation. But auditing is examination of accounts and records. Accounting is the process of preparation of financial statement and thereby getting interpretations from those financial statements. But in case of auditing, it is the process of examination of accounts and records. It is the process of verifying the accounts and records prepared by using the accounting process. And next difference is on the basis of objective. Accounting it investigates finding out the operating results and figuring out the financial status of an enterprise. But the objective of auditing is to judge the correctness and reliability of financial statement prepared by the internal staff of the business enterprise. So, on the basis of objective, we can say that the main objective of accounting is to identify the operating results and also figure out the financial status of an enterprise to find out whether they are having net profit or they are having net loss and what is the financial status of a particular business enterprise. But in a case of auditing, its main objective is to judge the correctness and reliability of financial statement that is prepared by the business enterprise. So, main objective of auditing is to find out whether all those transactions that are written in the books of account are correct or not. Then we can differentiate accounting and auditing on the basis of hierarchy also. So on the basis of hierarchy, accounting precedes the auditing and auditing succeeds the accounting. So on the basis of hierarchy, we can say that the accounting process is done first, and after the completion of accounting works only the auditing works is done. So these are the some of the main difference between accounting and auditing. So on the basis of meaning, we can say that accounting is the process of classifying and summarizing the business transaction that are in monetary terms, and auditing is the process of review of accounts establish the reliability and statements. Okay, in order to check whether the transactions done in accounting are correct or not, or reliable or not. And next differentiation was on the basis of scope. So on the basis of scope, we can say that accounting includes the preparation of financial statement and the interpretation of such financial statements. But in case of auditing, it is the process of examining or verifying the books of accounts and records. And on the basis of objective, we can say that the main objective of accounting is to find out the result or financial status of an enterprise. But in case of auditing, the main objective is to find out the correctness and reliability of the financial statements prepared by the internal staff of a business enterprise in the form of accounting. And on the basis of hierarchy, accounting precedes the auditing and auditing succeeds the accounting. Accounting process is done first, and after that only auditing process is done. Okay, thank you so much. This is the difference between accounting and auditing. Thank you for listening to me.